Tiny but mighty. That's how best to describe chia seeds. These small black or white seeds have been around for thousands of years, once treasured by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans. In fact, the word chia comes from an ancient word meaning strength. Today, chia seeds are known as one of the world's most powerful superfoods, packed with nutrients that boost your health in ways you might not expect. So, in this video, we'll explore what chia seeds are made of, their powerful health benefits, how to use them, and why you might want to start adding them to your diet today. Chia seeds come from the plant Salvia hispanica, a member of the mint family native to Central and South America. They're tiny, about the size of a poppy seed, but don't let that fool you. They're rich in essential nutrients that your body needs every single day. One serving, which is about 2 tablespoons, provides around 140 calories, 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and 9 grams of fat, most of it healthy omega-3 fatty acids. They're also a great source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, minerals that keep your bones strong and your muscles functioning properly. Chia seeds are completely natural, plant-based, and gluten-free, making them ideal for almost any diet. Let's take a closer look at what's inside these tiny seeds. First, fiber. Chia seeds are one of the best plant sources of dietary fiber. Fiber helps your digestive system stay healthy, promotes a feeling of fullness, and supports stable blood sugar levels. Next, omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats support heart and brain health, reduce inflammation, and may even help protect against chronic diseases. Then there's protein. Chia seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, which makes them a complete plant protein source, perfect for vegetarians and vegans. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and speed up aging. Finally, they provide a good dose of calcium, magnesium, and iron, all essential for maintaining healthy bones, muscles, and blood cells. Now let's talk about what chia seeds can actually do for your body. Because they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds help reduce bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol, and support a steady heart rhythm. They also help reduce inflammation, a key factor behind heart disease. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber. When mixed with water, they form a gel-like consistency that helps move food through your digestive system smoothly. This can help prevent constipation and promote gut health. The fiber in chia seeds absorbs many times its weight in water, expanding in your stomach and making you feel full for longer. This can help you manage your appetite and prevent overeating. Chia seeds slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping to prevent energy crashes and sugar spikes, a major benefit for people managing diabetes or insulin resistance. Historically, Aztec warriors used chia seeds as an energy booster before long journeys or battles. They provide slow-burning energy, making them a perfect addition to pre-workout smoothies or breakfasts. Chia seeds are rich in calcium. Ounce for ounce, they actually contain more calcium than milk. This makes them excellent for bone strength and prevention of osteoporosis. Thanks to their antioxidants and healthy fats, chia seeds can help your skin stay hydrated, firm, and protected from oxidative damage. When soaked, chia seeds absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in liquid, helping your body retain fluids longer. Ideal for athletes or anyone who wants to stay hydrated naturally. The best part about chia seeds? They're incredibly easy to use. Add them to smoothies for a nutrient boost. Sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Mix them into your baking recipes like bread, pancakes, or muffins. Or make the popular chia pudding. Simply soak chia seeds in milk or plant milk overnight. Add fruit, and enjoy a creamy, nutritious breakfast. If you don't like the texture, try blending them into your drink or grinding them into a powder. You'll still get all the benefits. Moderation is key. Experts recommend about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day. That's enough to enjoy their full benefits without overdoing it. Always remember to drink plenty of water with them since they absorb liquid quickly. And if you're new to high-fiber foods, start small and increase gradually to give your digestive system time to adjust. So there you have it. The incredible chia seed, small, natural, and bursting with life-supporting nutrients. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost energy, improve digestion, or simply eat healthier, chia seeds are an easy and affordable way to supercharge your diet. Start adding them to your meals today and let your body feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health and nutrition tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and see you in the next one.